Postulate. In geometry, a rule. A postulate is a rule. A rule can be decided. Take the understanding that a circle has 360 degrees. This has been decided or defined and was created by a human. The Mesopotamians are credited with the 360-degree circle, and today we have adopted this definition as the number of degrees in a circle. A circle having 360 degrees is a postulate. A theorem, on the other hand, is something that has been proven using postulates. By using the postulate that a circle has 360 degrees, I can now prove to you that a straight line or straight angle has 180 degrees. I can now make a theorem that a straight angle has 180 degrees. A postulate is a definition or rule. Antonyms: theorem. Related words: theorem, proof, evidence.